ASUS TUF-15 2021 Ultra Slim Gaming Laptop. The all-new TUF-F15 puts powerful Windows 10 gaming in a super slim chassis. Up to the latest 11th Gen Intel Core CPU and GeForce RTX GPU make gaming smooth on up to a blazing fast 240Hz display. Even at 19.9mm thin, this TUF chassis meets rigorous mil-STD durability standards, resisting everyday knocks and bumps. Up to 16.6 hours of battery lets you multitask more in a laptop light enough to carry into action anywhere. Free Windows 11 upgrade eligible devices. Visit ASUS Windows 11 website for more information. Lots of I/O ports let you connect your favorite devices and stay productive anywhere. 3 USB 3.2 type of ports are ready for a gaming mouse, gamepad, and more. HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.4 over Thunderbolt 4 Type-C can drive dual external displays to multitask more efficiently. Military-grade toughness. Military-grade toughness. In order to earn the TUF gaming name, laptops must successfully survive rigorous mil-STD 810H tests. Test devices are exposed to drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures to ensure reliability. The F15 is more than capable of withstanding accidental bumps and knocks on the move. Lasting cool comprehensive cooling sustains long-term system reliability and extends the lifespan of the F15. 5 heat pipes draw warmth away from the CPU, GPU, VRM and VRAM and dissipate it quickly through 4 heatsinks and fan outlets, keeping component temperatures at optimum levels. Enduring power game, stream, and code anywhere. Ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 lets you connect conveniently on the fly to the latest devices, like powerful external GPUs or docking stations. Type-C charging lets you top off from portable power packs, so you can stop scrambling for a socket when your battery gets low. Professional speed game at pro speed with a lightning-fast IPS level panel up to 144 Hz. With adaptive sync, the display's refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering, and eliminate visual tearing for ultra-smooth and immersive gameplay. Game on, always ready for action. The F15 darts with ease between gaming, streaming, and more. Up to an 11th Gen Intel Core CPU powers through everyday work and play. Graphics are fast and fluid with up to a leading-edge GeForce RTX GPU with Dynamic Boost 2.0 that reliably delivers high frame rates. The all-new TUF-F15 puts powerful Windows 10 gaming in a super slim chassis. The latest 11th Gen Intel Core CPU and GeForce RTX GPU make gaming smooth on up to a blazing fast high refresh rate display. Always ready for action, the F15 darts with ease between gaming, streaming, and more. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the downlink present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.